Hi, Sam here from Grainfather, and today I'm going to introduce you to our new Glycol Chiller Adapter, or GCA as we call it. This device is a wireless controller that allows you to connect any fermenter to our glycol chiller and send and control that information from your Grainfather app. Before you start, we recommend cleaning all of your equipment with your cleaning solution to ensure that none of the machining oils that may be there can contaminate your fermentation. Once everything's clean, you can take your cooling coil and feed it through the lid of your fermenter, either through your tri-clamp or through your drilled hole. Now take your bung and feed it in the closest two holes. Using a bit of sanitizer on the coil helps this. And take your airlock and assemble. Push the clamps onto the hoses and connect the hoses to the pipes of the cooling coil so there is about 1 centimeter of overlap. Use a screwdriver to tighten the clamps on the overlap section. Connect the other ends of the hoses to the channel of the glycol chiller that you want to use for the GCA. To attach the heating pad to the fermenter, remove the protective film from the back of the strips and firmly attach the pad to the middle of your fermentation volume. Using electrical tape, attach the temperature probe to the middle of your fermenter. For accurate readings, we recommend adding some insulation material over the probe, like neoprene or bubble wrap, or use the Grainfather thermowell. Connect the heating pad to the middle socket of your GCA controller. Then attach the temperature probe to the left socket and connect the glycol chiller to the right. Finally, take the other end of the power cord and connect it to the channel on the glycol chiller. And now your GCA is ready for controlled fermentation. Stay tuned for more videos from Grainfather, or for the full instructions, see the Grainfather website.